In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel SiteLock in Bluehost the right way so you can stop future renewals and, if needed, contact support for a refund. This is a quick but important process because turning off auto-renew is not always the same as getting your money back. And I'll walk you through both parts step by step. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Bluehost and website management guides. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Billing. This is where Bluehost keeps your subscription and renewal settings for services like SiteLock, domain add-ons, and other account purchases. After you open Billing, look for the Renewal Center. Click on it to bring up the list of all renewable services on your account. This is the section where you can manage auto-renew settings, and it's the most important place to check if you want to cancel SiteLock. Now, scroll through the list until you find your SiteLock subscription. Depending on your account, it may appear as SiteLock Basic, SiteLock Premium, or another variation of the service name. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct subscription before making any changes. Once you've found it, you should see an option to change the renewal setting. Switch it to Manual Renew or select Disable Auto Renew. This tells Bluehost not to automatically charge you again when the billing period ends. After selecting it, confirm the choice if Bluehost asks you to verify the change. This step is very important because it stops future charges, but it does not necessarily cancel past charges or trigger a refund. So if your goal is only to prevent the next renewal, this may be enough. But if you want to cancel immediately and ask for your money back, there's one more step you need to take. If you just bought SiteLock recently and you want to request a refund, you'll need to contact Bluehost Live Chat support. Turning off auto-renew alone usually only prevents the next billing cycle. It does not automatically refund a payment that has already been processed. So, to request immediate cancellation and refund help, open Bluehost support and start a live chat. Explain that you want to cancel SiteLock and ask whether your purchase qualifies for a refund. Be ready to provide your account details and the SiteLock service you want removed. A support agent will usually tell you what options are available based on your purchase date and billing history. To summarize, if you want to stop SiteLock from renewing, go to Billing, open the Renewal Center, find SiteLock, and disable auto-renew or switch it to Manual Renew. If you want a possible refund, contact Bluehost support through live chat and request cancellation directly. That's it. You now know how to cancel SiteLock in Bluehost the safe and correct way. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.